The only thing left I got to do is clean the wheels.
Okay.
Those things are dirty. Logan's out. He fell asleep. You think you're gonna sleep through this whole event? We'll find out.
Oh, Katie! We saved you a spot.
Did you?
That's right. That's why we parked the truck there. Everyone's like, get that thing out of here. But we're like, wait for you.
What's going on, dude? Dude, at first, my stomach was like, I was like, are you kidding me? I really thought I was getting pulled over.
Everyone over here thought it was legit.
Everyone thought it was legit?
Like, whoa, come on!
Dude, I really thought I got pulled for a second. I was like, holy shit. I was like, what the hell? Because I just saw the red and blue lights. Look at this guy. And I already knew that he had this. There, you want to do me a favor? You want to grab my vlog camera and
Yeah, I got you.
back it in?
I got you. Getting the vlog as well. You got it.
Thank you, buddy.
Oh, no problem.
You're awesome.
Appreciate it.
So how many subs are you up to since yesterday?
166.
And how many did you start with?
Probably 3 or 2.
3 or 2?
It's working. I want to thank all you guys that subscribed and all that stuff.
What's your channel called?
Mustang Kid.
Mustang Kid.
Oh my god! Oh, 168.
You're welcome. Say I'm a goon. Let's try this off. You. Oh, thank you. Like that Randy guy from LAIDNOTSPRAYED. Are you like the bitch button on me? Are you serious? It's truly a missed phone call. You want your boobs in the vlog? You want your boobs in the vlog, Maddie? Maddie, you want your boobs in the vlog? I want. Whoa, Randy! Wow.
Go for it. Sign the next one. Go for it. Little man. Oh,
Sign the next one?
Just going in line, man.
I added red accent to make it stand out, but literally that review, the wine, the screen.
That was such a good day, too.
It was the just through and through that whole video.
When I think of oh crap moments in a good way, I think your car all the time. And good. Holy okay then. The 410 gearing, even though the gas mileage sucks. Yep. It's so much fun. Even if you get rid of some of that top end, it's so worth that initial hit. Oh yeah. You bought a GT500 because of David's review. That's awesome. This is one of the first.
No, it is the first.
It is the first.
It is the very first. We got the whip. We got this blower in the car, before pretty much anybody.
Oh wow. So it's a 3.0 Whipple Gen
3
5.
liter Gen 5 flat top Whipple. car roughly makes around 700 horsepower. The wheels. So right now, LAIDNOTSPRAYEDVINYLWORKZ Motorsports and Engineering is selling these and installing them right now. We do all of our in-house tuning. Nothing's like a Lund tune where they just send it to you. Everything's dyno tuned on the chassis dyno. We've got 4 dynos, 36,000 square feet.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Where are you guys located?
Dearborn Heights, Michigan.
And this is you?
Yeah, LAIDNOTSPRAYED Motorsports and Engineering. I'm the corporate marketing and events manager. My name is Kevin Cassar. So if you guys ever need anything, give me a shout at 313-561-5500. JD's car, this GT500 is awesome. So.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
No problem, buddy.
What's going on, man?
Not much, JD.
I got something for you.
I got something.
You ready? This is what you were looking for, right?
This is going to be the Magic.
The Magic.
It's actually for my buddy's car.
Is it?
He's got a 14 GT500. He's already making about 1,030 horsepower.
Holy
so he's looking to go to a small.
And what size pulley does he have on there now?
He's got a.
You said it was a 325?
3.25 now.
Yes, and this is a 3.0. So that right there,
He's
I think that.
He's hoping 26, 27 pounds of boost.
Whew.
About 1,100 horsepower. Build engine. He's ready to party.
Oh yeah, it sounds like it. Look at this.
I got matte black and matte charcoal.
You make these, or?
Yeah, I make them myself. Yep.
And then these are the flag stickers that kind of go right here, right?
Yeah, they're the flag stickers that go right here. This one's a carbon fiber. So
That one's carbon fiber?
Fits right on there. You just stick it on, pull the paper off, and you're good to go. No trimming or anything.
That is sweet.
We got JD's camera here. We're gonna do some of our own filming. Come out to Hooters, check us out. This is No Limits Racing 304. Looks like we already got the police showing up. Might be shutting this down early. Have a great Mustang week.
Hey, what's going on, vlog? Hey, if you ain't got your JD Joyride t-shirt, you need to go get it. You need to go get it. It's on the website right now. He gonna have more colors coming. Go get that thing, yo. We out here! We lit!
Pull your finger. Buy some merch.
Buy some merch.
That's right.
She told us about the Mexican.
Yes, I'm looking forward to JD videoing you there.
Because we obviously love Mexican.
Yeah.
Do we? I didn't know we liked Mexican.
We do.
Just kidding.
Oh, you look really serious.
Thug life?
She went to jail, guys.
I'm an outlaw.
Criminal.
Criminal. Thug life.
You got to get the tattoo now.
You've been avoiding me. Like, I've looked at all your vlogs this week and I'm like in like 2.3 seconds of and 2 of them. That's it.
She said I've been avoiding to put her in the vlogs.
You really have. Like, I'm only in 2 vlogs.
You're in this one right now.
Okay.
So we got some weird New Jersey guy.
Hey, what's up, baby?
What's going on?
I'm a big fan of your channel, bro. What made us awkward? Oh, hey.
We'll just do the high five.
Hey, when are we gonna race, bro? What's going on?
Race? Dude, you know my car's slow.
You got a 900 horsepower GT500. I'm wearing the Venom Kills Demon shirt.
So how much power are you making?
I'm barely making 500. Barely making on a good day. On a good day, you know.
Well, still better than DVP. He's only making like 300 and he's dropped how much money into that thing?
I lost count, to be honest with you. So, hey, what do you think about the 18s? I know you you drove a manual, not a 10-speed yet, right?
That's definitely fast.
Is this wrap?
This is the matte black top wrap.
Dude, that's sick.
Yep.
Why didn't you do the whole car matte?
We wanted to be like a different like top. Just be different.
That's
trying to be
cool.
different.
That's kind of cool looking. Man.
Yeah, wanted to be more. There's a lot of black Mustangs out there trying to be a little different. You did the wrap too.
Yeah, I did a wrap.
Hated what I did. Like,
it looks good. It looks good.
Like, hey, it's all good.
It looks good, guys. Check him out.
Man, I appreciate it.
Stang mode.
Big fan of JD. He's always been an inspiration, and it's just a pleasure to meet you, man.
Yeah, you
God
too,
bless
man.
and
You
your
too.
family. I appreciate it.
Dude, the car looks great. It's the first
Yeah.
time seeing it in person.
Yeah.
You
Is this
enjoying
your
the
vlog
meet? Camera?
You got it.
This is the vlog.
This is all I do, baby.
That's the vlog camera.
Let me show you.
This is the vlog camera for.
This is all we got. We're on a shoestring budget here.
Oh, dude, you know why? It's
iPhone.
because all the money was put into this. He had no money for a camera.
We got to do it on the wrap. All the money went into the wrap instead of a camera.
Mustang Mike 740 18 GT.
Take care, man. My buddy Sam, and I have to give him a big shout out, and you guys got to thank him for all these amazing drone shots he's been helping me out with this entire week. This is the man behind it. His Instagram is linked right here. Give him a follow. Hope you guys can hear me with all this chaos going on. I wish I could have filmed a lot more tonight, but I was just so crowded. So that's why I didn't get to film it as I would like.
Always be the best. What size?
Favorite YouTuber, right?
Oh, yeah.
And this is your GT350? Lola.
Group hug.
Huddle, huddle. A sign off right here. ShockerRacing, ShockerRacing, ShockerRacing. Joyride. Oh, look at that.
Mustang Week yearbook.
That's her Mustang Week yearbook right there.
Signed her own name.
You signed your own name? Sweet.
Right there, signature address.
Little man, sign it.
Write your name on there. Yay!
Nice job.
It's an autograph.
Logan's first signature.
You must be so honored.
We gotta head out. We gotta wrap this video up. Everybody's at the house, locked out. They can't get right. Yeah. Mustang. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this.
Good luck.
Check out ShockerRacing if you haven't. This is the hardest wrap-up video I've ever done. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video.